Come. You. Can I have my 2,000 rand back, please? My 2,000 rand I want back. My 2,000 rand I want back. The money that I gave now, 2,000 rand for this gentleman here. This lady here took 2,000 rand from my friend, somebody who works for me. Can I have my money back, please? Okay, you don't know anything, but you took the money. Can I have 2,000 rand from you? Please give it to me now. Or else I'll put you on Facebook. Give it to me. Thank you very much. Fuck it. Yeah, you don't know anything about it. But yes, 2,000 rand that you took from my guy. Hey? How come you give me the 2,000 rand now? You guys are all taking bribes here. What kind of policeman are you? What, come over here. Let me put you all on video. Come. I can't stand you guys. Here's the 2,000 rand that she took. I've got the 2,000 rand in my hand. I don't like you guys being like that. Do you hear me? Say sorry. Why did you do it?
I'm very sorry.
Why did you do it?
Sorry.
You sorry? 2,000 rand from a man who works very hard. And you take his money. What kind of policeman are you? You're very sorry. I'm very sorry for the whole of bloody South Africa. And you're sitting here as well. What the hell are you? Why don't you get up and arrest that lady there?
No, I didn't know anything.
You didn't know anything? Arrest that lady then. Here's the money. Here is the money. No. Give me the 2,000 rand. I want the 2,000 rand. That money that woman, she says she's sorry about taking. I want her number. No, I'm not interested in talking. I want the money. No, stand back from me. Don't stand close to me. No, get away. Don't, this is a witness. Please stay away. I'm telling you right now.
We try to help you.
Don't worry. Sorry, get out of here.
This is the
Just get out of here. That is the
I'm
lady.
the senior.
I don't care who you are.
I'm going to solve it.
I'm leaving here. I'm leaving here. Goodbye.
What is the man?
Goodbye.
What is the man?
You give me the money. She's giving me the money.
Did she give you the money?
Yes.
What was the money for, sir?
Don't worry. We talked to her about it. Fine.
Okay.
Why don't you guys do your fucking job? Excuse me. Bye.
No, it wasn't.
Just goodbye.
No.
I'm live on Facebook. These people took some money. There's the money here. Okay? I'm not talking to you. Get away from me. So anybody who wants to arrest me now is welcome to arrest me. But I'm telling you something right now. I'm leaving. And if you want to stop me from leaving, you're welcome. And sir, what police station is this? What? JB. What? You know. They wanted me to apologize for coming to get my money back. Don't worry about from who. I'm out of here.
Okay, so you need to make me understand what is happening here. This lady and her colleagues has been caught this morning having a roadblock between Deep Sluit and Midrand and taking a 2,000 rand shots off from somebody. And I do believe that was a setup. They took the money and now they are everywhere on Facebook. You woke up this morning, you have a decent job, all the perks, subsidies and everything that comes with it, a government job. Every end of the month you have a steady income, you have bonus, you have everything. Why are you so greedy? Tell for me now, why are you so greedy? You have money, end of the month, you just got paid. You just got paid. What is wrong now? What is wrong with you? Now you are everywhere on social media. And people will appeal to us and say, I show mercy, show mercy. We need to get rid of all this rotten fruit in subs. We need to get rid of it in law enforcement, traffic department, wherever. We need to get rid of it. Let me take an example. If they pull somebody over because the tires are not nice on the vehicle, there's no threat on the tires anymore. They pull that person off, that person pays a 500 rand so. In a few kilometers after that person has a tire burst, dying in that accident. What do you need to look at the implications of those things that is happening here. You pull somebody off, that person doesn't have a seatbelt on, and that person says sorry with a 200 rand. And then not far from you, that person is in an accident, dead, because he didn't wear his safety belt. You are there for a reason, and you are there to make sure that we abide by the law. But now you are taking money and putting our lives in danger. Julle moet gevang word. Julle moet uitgevang word. Julle moet deurgevang word. En julle moet reg gevang word. Is dit alright saam met u saam?
Rand that she took.
Xa kunjalo
2,000 rand in my hand.
sithembele
I
kubani.
don't like you guys being like
Mamela
that.
ke
Hear
ngoku.
me?
Kukho ivideo etrendayo apha
Why did you do it?
yamapolisa ebeme i-roadblock,
Why
but
did
I'm
you
not
do
sure uba yenzeka phi laa nto kweyiphi
You
province
sorry.
ebeme
2,000
i-roadblock
rand from a man who
lamapolisa.
works very hard.
Kumsebenzi walo mlungu uba exposayo
What kind of police?
lo mntana intombazana uthathe ibribe ye-2000 funa i-2000 rand wayinikwa, andiyazi uba bekwenzeke ntoni. Lo mlungu uyabuya uyabavideorayiza ubajonga ndifuna la 2000 niwe ngumsebenzi wam wena, wayikhupha nyhani epokothweni. Ndizayipowusta lo video niyibone leyo.
Why don't
Bantakwethu,
you
it's
get up and
bad.
arrest that lady there?
Entloko bacorrupt, ezantsi bacorrupt.
Here's the
We
money.
need to
Here
expose
is the money.
i-law enforcement corrupt, i-traffic officers is corrupt, we need to expose them. Amapolice are corrupt, we need to expose them. Justice system corrupt, we need to expose them. Home affairs is corrupt, we need to expose them.
I want the
Immigration corrupt, we need to expose. We need to expose everyone corrupt up in South Africa, because iqondo lobu corrupt kwenye level in South Africa, and it can't be.
I'm telling you right
It
now.
can't be. Jonga lamdana ngoku is just a constable futhi uyabonakala usefresh uyafika esipoliseni nangu ngozawuluza umsebenzi wakhe uzasuspendwa yeyiphi enye indawo engaphindi imqashi
I'm leaving here.
for the 2000 rand. As bandithanda ukuthi I was a police officer for many years futhi badge ndiyinxiba with pride.
Give me the money.
Uyazi utata wathini, utata wayithanda into ekuthiwa i-round table akubeke phansi, wathi utata mhla ndiqashwe ndibuye ecollege wathi utata jonga mntanam uyilumkele into okokubana ugxotshelwe i-500 zingaphi i-500 ubuzazipeya, because i-temptation zininzi zipha wear your pay your badge with pride. Ndayibamba lo
kgaitsedi ya ka pudi e ja mo e bofilwego gona seema se se bolaišitše ba bantši bona le kgono di tlhabiša ditlhong mara kgaitsedi ya ka ke gona gore a go kgotsofalele mogolo o ba go fa go mošomong wa gago mola batho ba nyakana le mošomo na o tšea wa bapala ka bona le kgono ke dilo mantši ke goreng kgaitsedi ya rena bana bo bolawa ke tlala lapa la gago le bolawa ke tlala kgaitsedi ya ka nnete ebile wa admita gore o itšere aowa banna kore bona ebile ke kwa yola yo mongwe ara I don't know anything about this kore yena a tsebe selo kgaitsedi ya ka ke bona a ntšha seroto se se itšego ga e fa lekgowa lela yo ai a retse go bolela baje go ka senkwe ka sangwa na.
Ngizokhuluma kumbono wami mayelana nevideo yephoyisa etrenda kuyimanje eyenzeke lapha eGauteng province, la khona okutholakala ukuthi iphoyisa lentombazana ubeselidizelwe ngemali engango-2000 lidizelwa umsebenzi, kwase kufika iboss yalo msebenzi yasifuna lowo 2000 back. Ningizwe kahle engizokhuluma kule video kuumbono wami, kungenzeka uhambisane nakho, kwenze kungahambisani nakho. Okay, silana-ke. Into enginothisile kuleya video ukuthi ubandlululo eSouth Africa soze lwaphela. Angisho ukuthi usisi ube right noma amaphoyisa abe right ngokuthi ethathe ibribe. But into enginothisile laphana ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi abantu abamhlophe abelungu uma befica umuntu omnyama esephutheni benza sure ukuthi bamcindezela noma ngabe kuthiwa uxolisa kanjani. Okunye ngiphinde ngakubheka kuleya video uMr Andrew ufike kula amaphoyisa esevele live because lento bengilandela kusukela emini yenzeka. Ufike kula amaphoyisa esevele live ku Facebook. Eyothatha ilokhu ivideo lamaphoyisa lawana ewa record. Nanoma iphoyisa selikhombisa ukuxolisa likhombisa ukuyisola ezethi nginikeze leyo mali ngoba ngizokupost. Ubesevele live vele. Uthi kumbuzo wami sikephi isidingo sokuthi uye kumuntu evelela umuntu akaze refuse lwasesila ukuthi enikeze u2000 back. But besingekho isidingo sokuthi eye kubona live. Okungenani ungaya ngevideo if umuntu engafuni ukukunikeza imali bese then uyamposta. Hayi ukuthi umuntu uvele umposte same time noma esekunikezile imali waxolisa. Angisho ukuthi right wenziwa amaphoyisa. Ngiyagxeka 100% ngiyagxeka. Ibribe ayikho right. Libe abe wrong amaphoyisa. But nabantu abamhlophe abaye kuba harsh against abantu abamnyama. Okay, ingane umuntu inephutha sa understand. But besingekho isidingo sokuthi eye kubona live ngokwe video because bebengaze benqabe ukubuyisela imali back. Angazi noma nayizo into engisho. Umuntu like umshuthu uzumposte if refuse ukuthi ekunikeze imali back. Ngoba usekunikezile imali back, siphi isidingo sokuthi uqhubeke ube live wena or noma uqhubeke lokhuza umpost. Angisho right ukwenziwa amaphoyisa but into enginothisa abantu abamhlophe ngawusonke isikhathi if bebamba umuntu omnyama esephutheni ave beba harsh. Bayaba harsh. Ingakho ngithi ubandlululo la South Africa sophinde laphela ngoba entweni eziningi esilokho siyipick up. No, come on guys. Abo umuntu into mase kunikeza back bese eyaxolisa. That means ngiyalibona iphutha lami ungabe usangiphosta phela. It's so painful ukuthi njengamanje umuntu ophethe amaphoyisa eGauteng province usemmisile usisi. Ngiphinde kumgceke futhi naye ke umphathi wamaphoyisa lapha eGauteng. Ubokumele emise yonke la crew la esemotweni ngoba bebengaqala ukugizisa. Bokungayona idizi yoqala lana kade beqalile ukugizisa. So bokungamele emise umuntu oyedwa. Njengoba kuthiwa nisebenza njengama partner ubomele bonke abantu abekule van bemiswe emsebenzini. But njengamanje ngithola ukuthi ukeep statement umphathi wamaphoyisa lapha eGauteng province ukuthi umise lo assist lwakuphela. Kahle kahle bomele bamise wonke lamaphoyisa ngoba if abekhuthuziwe emaphaketheni ibizotholwa imali ebribe kuona wonke amaphoyisa. Normally ke amaphoyisa umedizisa imali ayifihle kwi bulletproof. Uyabona la ukuhlukana khona ukhetho lo bulletproof nalendwangu engaphakathi. Amaphoyisa imali umedizisa ayifaka kulolo khetho. So ungafika wakhuthuza emaphaketheni mhlawumbe imali ungayitholi but uma sesha la kwi bulletproof imali ithola khona. Umphathi wamaphoyisa aselokhuzeni waseGauteng province ubomela amaphoyisa ewamisa wonke emsebenzini engamisa usisi yedwa ngoba if besebenza basebenza as a team. Umbono wami lokho.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Uyatrenda sesilobonakale abuyisela back imali yebribe ngemva kokuthi ayithathe ku-sebenty salomlungu then usho ukuthi le-sebenty sifike satshela lo mlungu ukuthi hey mina sebangithathele 2k webribe. Mlungu was fuming wayilandza leya mali lapha kulosisi while he was recording. Buso bakhe busabalele lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana ngani masiva kuthiwa bamthathela tinyathelo letifanele losisi. Lokusho kona ukuthi kune possibility yokuthi yoluza umsebenzi wakhe. Bantu bathi sikhathele maphoyisa la corrupt, sikhathele ma traffic cop la corrupt abahambe, but there are people who are saying ukuthi bona they feel sorry for her why bamrecordile because uyibuyisele back imali. But inkosi yami kuyakhombisa ukuthi ngalenye langa uyavuka ekseni ugeza uthi emsebenzini kanti uyaphela ngalelo langa umsebenzi. uyothi bye-bye nje emsebentini wakho ngenxa yokuthatha ama-bribe. Bangathi bayabona abaphathi babo laphana kumadlanga kuyashuba baze bayakhala, they are in trouble because of yona i-corruption, but basachubeka nabo nokwenda ama-corruption indlela trenda ngayo lo sisi lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana. Everyone is talking about her kokuthi hayibo girl waba greedy waze wathatha 2K. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.